Okay, how to reset Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. This is Samsung Galaxy T220, and we need to remove this password. There's a pattern lock here. So let me show you how to reset and remove this pattern, and let's do it. So first, hold power button and volume down button together for a few seconds. Now tablet is restarting, so I left and I quickly hold power and the volume up button until I see the recovery menu. There we go. Now here you can choose wipe data factory reset. Then I'm going to press power button to select it. Use volume down button to go to factory data reset. Press power button, keeping in mind that it will delete everything from your tablet like pictures, music, images, phone numbers, everything will be deleted. And I'm just gonna do the wipe cache partition also. Select it, press the power button, and then select again, volume down, say yes, and then we're done. Just need to reset, restart, press the power button again, and then we are done. So it's almost done. I'm gonna skip this Samsung account. There we go, everything is done. Keep it in mind please that there was no Google account on this device, so when you reset and there's no Google account signed in into the device, then it won't ask you. So there was no Google account, so thanks for watching.